Hi Ray, I'm going to quickly run through the what would you call it? The MapPress errors that are happening. So clicking on demo brings up the map, no trouble. And if I go to the Kakadu page, for instance, come down and click on a See on Map. No trouble there, loading the map. Now if I log in, the map is up in the corner here, grey screen. I'll just refresh the page and then the map appears, no trouble. Now if I go to the, doesn't matter which page, but I'll go to the Kakadu page, come down to the See on Map, and there, got the same kind of issue. So probably a WPE member protection issue with MapPress, I guess. Can't say, need you to have a look at it. Okay, that's the problem. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.